I'm 31 years old and from St. Louis, Missouri. I originally enlisted in the Air Force as a B-2 stealth bomber mission planner, but music has always been my heart and my soul, so I auditioned for the Air Force Band, and it is the best job in the military. The primary mission of military bands is troop morale. We give them a couple of hours of relaxation and time for them to remember that they're human beings, because we give them a song and they remember, oh, that was played at my prom, or that was my wedding song. It just kind of helps them reconnect with themselves. I've gone on 7 Middle Eastern deployments, and in one little set that we did, someone in the audience taped it on their phone, and they uploaded it to their YouTube channel. And within 11 days, it had over 1 million views. The whole thing was surreal. The quickness that it caught on with people was hard to keep up with. I got friend requests from people on Facebook from countries that I'd never even heard of. And I had this email saying, hey, you need to check out Carson Daly's Twitter page.
Well, this is so crazy how this whole thing happened. I saw a woman in a military outfit singing an incredible Adele song. And I was like, look at this hot chick singing who's defending our country.
Carson Daly just called me hot.
Well, I'm saying, and talented. I mean, it was really remarkable. It's like, she's got to get a shot, and here you are at The Voice. What would it mean for you to walk on that stage and just really do well? What would that mean for you?
I've been in a war zone, okay? Like, I've faced mortar fire. I've had to carry a weapon around. Like,
right.
I'm trying to be like, this is cake, but I'm not going to sit here in front. Like, I'm not going to be nervous as all get out, but I just hope I do a good job. I hope I get him to turn around. There's a lot of pressure being in this competition because the way I came to be involved was kind of in front of America's eyes. And I'm here now, and I just feel like the people, they want to see me succeed, and it's kind of heavy, but it's my shot. Not everyone gets their shot.
Don't you mess around with me, you're a heartbreaker, dream maker, love taker, don't you mess around with me, you're a heartbreaker, dream maker, love taker, heartbreaker.
So what's your name?
My name is Angie Johnson.
Angie, man, what a way to end that performance. That last note, I was like, oh my gosh, man, I let CeeLo get away with one.
Are you as beautiful as I think you are? Wait a minute, let me put on my reading glasses. This is sweet. That was right.
I'm not sure whether CeeLo's happy that you're hot or that you got a good voice.
It's both. No. Okay. I picked her. I'm the only one that picked her. She belongs to me.
I know.
And you know what? The whole time on pitch, like you were really, really good about your pitch. That was really good.
Thank you.
That's a tough song. You had to really have some power to pull that off. So, congrats, CeeLo.
No doubt. I turned my chair around because I love rock and roll. I love a woman with guts, with power, with confidence.
Thank you.
Come on down.